Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the video, I want to finish the test from Mr. Baby. This text is configuration SD1 with Fortinet. In the screen, we have this topology. I have one internet, is a cloud, and two ESP. ESP is as the router Cisco is ESP1 and ESP2, and here I have a Fortinet. This Fortinet is VGT. VGT is a combination of or mix vSmart and vBond. We don't ask the vManagement. Don't ask the vManagement because in the video this that video is not configured with vManage. After that we have this IP management and this with switch MLS here and two end device or user client. Okay, first I want to show the configuration in ESP1. Wait. Okay, here. First, login, enable, and show run. This show all configuration in ESP1. Here we make the IP in EtherGig 1, this IP, and and this all configuration in router 1, ESP1 and ESP2. In ESP2, this configuration is gig 01/1 here to Fortinet. Yes. Okay, is and give the access list is not same like ESP1 is give the access list IP not overload. Okay. That we're gonna to config it in the Fortinet here in the configuration. System interface, yeah. This configuration in port 1 in ESP1. This is the IP address, and port 2 for ESP2 this IP address, and the last is port 4 is in the IP management in this laptop. After that we go to the GUI here in the that's the IP address to this VM. This is the IP address is IP version IP port 4 to IP management. If the name is sorry. is the GUI of Fortinet. It's all GUI. And after that we're gonna do the this PC get the IP from internet. Here you have to go in the network and interface. Okay, in interface, click in new and interface. Name is VLAN 10 and alias is Sam VLAN 10 2. Here alias is some like name. Okay, give this VLAN 10. Okay, after that interface is port 3 because we're gonna do VLAN in port 3. Okay, VLAN ID 10 and role is LAN, type is VLAN, like, and this IP net mask is in the this VLAN 10 is 10.5.10.1 here. Okay, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This prefix slash 24. Okay, after that, click OK. First administrative access, I forgot this ping, and okay, after that, okay, create again for VLAN 20. His name VLAN 20, and the alias is VLAN 20. Type is VLAN and port is interface port 3. VLAN ID is 20 and role is LAN, and this IP net mask is here VLAN 20 20 10.5.20.1 and prefix is slash 24. Okay, his administrative access is ping. Yeah, after that we click OK. Okay, after that again to the SD1 zones on this virtual one link to the CLI console. Yeah, that configure is wait, I forgot that virtual one, this config system SD1, and this to that give the set status enable. Okay, to that xen and close to that and close that, and yeah, edit and interface members is now, and click OK. Okay, is virtual one link is on. It's after that you're gonna create new SD1 member. For the member SD1 is interface is port 1, and this gateway is this ESP1 because that port 1 is ESP1. Okay, this input that the gateway IP address from is ESP1. Okay, after that click OK. After all, click OK, and create again member the interface port 2 here, and the gateway is ESP2. Let's check again this IP. Okay, gateway input this. Okay, 30 and 1. Okay. After that, I'll okay, this port 1 and port 2 in the virtual one link. After that, I want to configure the SD1 static route for static route first. Is execute ping to the IP address, ping to the Google or internet. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay, that's pilot. Wait. I'm gonna to check it. What's the wrong here? Wait. I forgot to create the static route, new static route. Okay. First, we're gonna to create. Okay, click new, and to that in destination. First, we're gonna to the interface is the one, and okay, to that ICL console and command again execute ping to the internet is 8.8.8. To that enter. Okay, we get it. This get the internet, get the ping from the internet. Okay, it's enable and SD1 is success to get the internet. Okay, to that is the SD1 roles. Go to SD1 roles and create the new for the priority to VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, this VLAN 10 is and VLAN 10 source address is VLAN 10. It says group is no, maybe no. Okay, after gonna to destination, the address is to all, and the protocol number is any because to connect all, and outgoing interface is manual. Okay, after that interface preference is port is port number 1. Forget it. It's port number 1. Wait. I want to check. Yes, that's port number 1. Okay, click it and do it. Okay, click and okay. And create new to VLAN 20, same like a VLAN 10, but it's different. Address is VLAN 20 and IP address is to all, and the outgoing interface is manual, and interface preference is to it's to port 2, and to that click OK. Okay, that's all. VLAN is input in the SD1 roles, and after that gonna to make the policies. Right, wait. Forgot with his policy and firewall policy. Yes, firewall policy. To create new here, I'm gonna to create the policy to the VLAN. Is access VLAN 10 and incoming interface. Wait. Incoming interface is VLAN 10. VLAN 10 and out interface is virtual one link because the outgoing to SD1 and source is all. Source is VLAN 10 and destination is all, and the net is click on here, must on, and wait, the last is wait in the service, right? Okay, all in service, and after that click OK. Create again to VLAN 20 is access VLAN 20 and coming is VLAN 20 and out interface is interface virtual one line outgoing interface, and source is VLAN 20 address, destination is to all, and the service all again, and the NAT is must to on here. Okay, after that okay, wait. Okay, that's all. Config in GUI is complete, and okay. After that I'm gonna to config the PC. First is PC5 IP to the VLAN 10 is 10.5.10. It is 5 IP is 10.5.10 and 2.2, and prefix is subnet is prefix to 24. Yeah, okay, and gateway is 10.5.10.1. Okay, here get. Okay, that is another PC. Okay, there's another PC here, and this IP. Okay, 10.5.10t.2 prefix SAM says 24, and the gateway is 20.1. Okay, checking for duplicate address. Okay, we get it. We get the IP address. Okay, after that I'm gonna to ping to the internet, get or not. Okay, waiting. Okay, the MS is very high because the Wi-Fi or internet in my PC is not support. Okay, check again. Not really high because the latency is very high. I'm gonna to check in under the PC is okay. Ping in the 10 8.8.8 to internet. Okay, wait is time out. Wait, check again. Oh, the MS is very high and get the internet is time out to ICMP. Okay, we're gonna to check in again. Okay, but it's good is get the response from the internet. Okay. Gonna to check the load balancing. Load balancing and file over here. Wait. Okay, because this I'm gonna to trace first to trace the internet. Wait, what's the way to go to internet? Okay, is go. The way is ESP1, the Fortinet first, and after that, let's go to the ESP1, and after that go to the internet. Okay. Gonna to check in the VLAN 20 this PC. Okay, trace to internet. Okay, and this the way is go ESP2, and for first he go to the Fortinet, to the ESP1, ESP2, and internet the last. Okay, gonna to check the file over here. Wait. Yeah, to test. Wait, gonna to. I wrong delete. Is must to delete the cable and check. Okay, the connection. Okay, delete. Okay. I'm gonna to check it. Is must the this PC5 is go to ESP2 to rest. Okay, that's right. He is go to the way ESP2. Okay. Okay, let's go to Fortinet and ESP2, and the last is internet. Okay, maybe that's all to configure with SD-WAN Fortinet. Thank you for watching. See you next time.